Imagine you go to the grocery store to find that your favorite item is out of stock. Have you ever considered that the stockout could be due to poor warehouse throughput? Our capstone project, working with General Mills, looks to address a problem that many companies in the food industry face, understanding what drives warehouse throughput so that they can better manage their warehouse operations, including inventory planning and labor allocation. Our project had two key deliverables. The first is creating a predictive warehouse throughput model, and the second was developing a technology implementation roadmap. To address these problems, we took a qualitative and quantitative approach. We first interviewed key company stakeholders, including individuals in the planning, operations, and logistics functions. We were able to narrow the scope down to one site and then gather and analyze quantitative data, developing our machine learning model using linear regression. We took the insights gained from our qualitative interviews to help inform our statistical model decisions.
The result of our model shows that warehouse throughput at General Mills is not only impacted by internal factors like product mix and labor, but also external factors like the day of the week and higher demand requirements near quarter end. General Mills will be able to create strategic plans to manage their warehouse throughput, resulting in efficiency gains and cost savings. Further, this helped us to determine what were the right technologies to implement at this site. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to discussing more about our project.